The W3C Digital Credentials API, or DC API, lets a verifier request verifiable credentials directly through the browser, which then invokes the wallet on the iOS device. It needs a browser that supports the Digital Credentials API, such as Chrome 128 or later, or Edge. Step 1. Get the API key. To obtain your API key, contact support at iGrant.io. Enter it in the field and click the Set API Key button to save it for future use. Step 2. Create the presentation definition. This defines the specific credentials or claims you require. On iOS, the request is pre-configured over ISO 18013-7 Annex C with the ISO IEC 18013-5 mdoc format and assigned DC API response mode. Run the code block to create it. Step 3. Create the verification request. Now you can ask a wallet for the credential you defined in Step 2. The presentation definition ID from Step 2 is already pre-filled in the request, so check that it matches. Run it, and once it succeeds, the Request Credential button becomes active. Clicking it invokes the wallet. Step 4. Send and receive the verifiable presentation on the iOS device. For a cross-device flow, scan the QR code using your iPhone camera. The wallet connects, and the status shows it is waiting for the wallet to share the credential. Step 5. The verifier or relying party receives the requested credentials and can verify them. The status confirms the credential was shared successfully, and the response panel shows the verifiable presentation that was received.